Ever wonder what really secures your home investment after closing? Today, we're breaking down the real estate title, what it is, why it matters, and how it keeps your biggest investments safe. Welcome to Behind the Deal. I'm Ken Grogan, your VA title guy, and today we're talking about something that could save your home investment. Now stay with us because what you learn today could protect your future. When you buy a home, you're not just purchasing walls and a roof. You're securing legal ownership through what's called title. Think of it as your home's birth certificate. It proves who legally owns the property. Imagine buying your dream home only to find out someone else claims to own it. Or there are unpaid taxes tied to the property. Without a clear title, you stand a chance to lose everything. Before we jump into some of the most common title issues found, what's the biggest title issue that you've heard of? Drop your answer in the comments. We might discuss it in a future episode. Now that we've explored the importance of a clear title and how it secures your home, let's dive into some of the most common title issues that could threaten your ownership if left unresolved. These problems might sound like something out of a legal thriller, but they happen more often than you think. Understanding them can save you from costly surprises and give you peace of mind when purchasing your home. First up, fraudulent claims. Sometimes scammers will create fake deeds or forged signatures, making it look like they own a property that they don't. This can lead to major legal battles and, in worst case, the loss of your home if it's not caught early. Imagine someone trying to sell you a house that isn't even theirs to sell. Next, we have unknown heirs. Picture this. Your new home is all set, but then a distant relative of the previous owner shows up out of nowhere. They claim that they're the rightful heir and they demand ownership of the property. Without a clear will, this could drag you into a long court battle, potentially forcing you out. Another issue is unpaid liens. When there's a lien on a property, often due to unpaid debts like contractor fees, taxes, or HOA dues, the debt doesn't just disappear. It stays with the property, which means as the new owner, you could be held responsible for those unpaid bills. Then there are easements. These are legal rights that might allow others to use parts of your property, whether it's a shared driveway, utility access, or something else. While it's legal, it can definitely limit how you use your own land. Imagine thinking you own every inch of your property, only to find out that someone else has rights to parts of it. Finally, zoning errors. Zoning laws dictate how a property can be used, and if your home isn't properly zoned for residential use, or if there was an error in how zoning was recorded, you could face costly repairs or even restrictions on how you can use your property. It's crucial to ensure your property's zoning is in order before you sign that contract. These common title issues may seem rare, but they could pop up unexpectedly. Be sure to get a title insurance policy to protect yourself from these hidden risks. Stay informed and make sure your dream home doesn't come with any unpleasant surprises. Luckily, title professionals resolve these issues before they become your problem. They clear liens, verify ownership records, and ensure all debts linked to the property are paid. Imagine after a months-long search, you finally find your family's dream home. A safe neighborhood, great schools, and a big backyard for the swimming pool you plan to build. You move in and hire a contractor, but a few days into construction, they discover an underground utility line running through the middle of your backyard. You check your owner's title insurance policy and find out the title search missed the easement. Thankfully, because you obtained an owner's policy, your title insurance company paid to relocate the utility line, making room for that dream pool. Now imagine what could have happened if the homeowner didn't have an owner's title insurance policy. They would have been left paying thousands of dollars out of pocket to relocate the utility line, or worse, they might not have been allowed to build the pool at all. Title insurance turned what could have been a devastating and expensive problem into a manageable fix. Even after closing, title insurance protects you from unforeseen claims, fraud, or missed issues that could cost you thousands. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when our next video releases, where we'll uncover how a title search ensures your new home is truly yours. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Ken Grogan, your VA title guy.